As the Philippine Association of Court Employees Presidential Legal Advisor, it is an honor for me to read before you the manifesto signed by the President, Attorney Virginia Rafael, who is now stationed in Davao. The manifesto of support on the independence of the judiciary. We vehemently condemn the unjustified intrusion on the independence of the judiciary by the executive and the legislative branches of the government. We adhere to the supremacy of the law. The rule of law must always prevail over public opinion, which could be manipulated to suit certain personal political ends. Let the constitutional process find its courts on the impeachment trial. We abhor dirty politics and the use of media in circulating unverified information tending to mislead and deceive. May the designated congressmen, prosecutors, and senators, jurors be guided by their wisdom and professionalism, and not by political commitment or affiliation throughout the impeachment proceedings. Thank you. While others may contend that the attack against a certain magistrate is not an affront against the entire judiciary, it has become a convenient excuse to pursue one's unscrupulous motive or intent. Nonetheless, the integrity and independence of judiciary is put on the line. We believe in the integrity and independence of the Chief Justice Renato Corona and all the magistrates. We will stand by his side to the last. Let us all unite to protect the judiciary as the last bastion of democracy. Maaasahan ko po ba kayo? Salamat po.
Salamat, Attorney Ele. I now call on Judge Lily Lacindano, representing...
Designed to enable the executive department to arrogate unto itself total control of all branches of government. The wanton disregard of the provisions of the Constitution and due process of law by filing an impeachment complaint against the Chief Justice without complying with the constitutional requirements for validity thereof. The scrupulous offer of material rewards to congressmen who would agree to sign the impeachment complaint. The formulation of impeachment complaint against alleged acts of the Chief Justice, which, assuming for the sake of argument are true, do not constitute impeachable offenses as provided for under the Constitution. The continuous engagement in trial by publicity by House prosecutors, even going to the extent of presenting clearly fabricated evidence in a forum outside the impeachment court. As one voice of all cyber rallies, we declare our support for the observance of due process and the rule of law without recourse to procedural shortcuts. For the continued exercise by the Supreme Court of its constitutional mandate of interpreting the law without fear of retribution from the other branches of government, and for the preservation of the integrity and independence of the judiciary and all other democratic institutions. With pride and dignity as democracy-loving Filipinos, we proclaim our unwavering support for the Supreme Court and Chief Justice Renato Corona. As he embarks on an arduous journey, which at the end we know will lead to the vindication of the judiciary and repudiation of one-man rule. Mabuhay ang isang malayang judikatura! Mabuhay si Chief Justice Corona! Mabuhay ang isang bayanang Pilipino!
Maraming salamat sa inyong mahihinig na manifesto. Tinatawag ko po si Jojo Guerrero, Presidente ng Supreme Court Employees Association.
Naipagtanggol ang bayan. Alam namin ang kabayanihan ninyo. Kagalang-galang na kawani, hurado at maestrado, ating ipaalala sa kanila na ang Lady Justice ay may tangan at timbangan sa kanyang kamay. At huwag nilang kalimutan na mayroon ding tangan na espadang walang balot. At ito ay gagamitin natin upang ipagtanggol ang hustisya para sa demokrasya. Ito ang papel ng hudikatura. Muli, kagalang-galang Chief Justice Renato C. Corona, patuloy namin kayo pinagdarasal na bigyan pa kayo lalo ng lakas na loob at tibay ng dibdib ng Panginoong Diyos. Ipagtanggol ang hudikatura, ipagtanggol ang demokrasya. Mahal namin kayo.
Maraming salamat. Jojo, ng SEA, tinatawagan ko ngayon si Judge Lailiha Aquino para sa Philippine Judges Association.
Association extends its unqualified and unconditional support to Chief Justice Renato Corona and his fight for judicial independence. Mabuhay si Chief Justice Corona! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Korte Suprema! Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat, Judge Aquino. We now call on... Gusto nyo na ba marinig si Chief Justice magsalita? Marami po ang gustong...
Akong hadlang sa isang nagmamadaling maging vice-presidente ngunit talo noong 2010. At huwag na tayong lumayo. At malaki din akong hadlang sa isang matagal nang nag-aambisyong maging Chief Justice. Tatlo ang nagsasabwatan upang ako ay mapatalsik sa pwesto. At I love you too. At higit sa lahat, malaki akong hadlang sa pagtatag ng isang diktatura.